Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. AliShanMao here. I'm here in my Citroen C5 Aircross and I thought, hey, can I fly this from inside my car? Check it out. This is the SPC Maker Mini Veil HD CineWhoop with HD, Turtle V2 camera, CATX Turtle V2 camera, and HD 1080p 60 frames per second DVR. And while I'm sitting inside my Citroen C5 Aircross, I thought I will fly it. One moment. Turn the car on. Check this out. Everything is mashallah digital. No more those analog things left now. So I thought I can just open it up. One moment. Let's just open the sunroof. I have mashallah a very big sunroof, and I don't have to actually step out. I'll just put the quad top there and take off from there. All right. I'm not sure what's the reception's gonna be. Hey, let's give it a try. Just keep it close by and see how it goes. There will be trouble, but I think I can just drop it like a turd.
I was worried you blow my reputation, but I figured it's not on me. Yeah. The way you're making me shiver, your hands on myself, I keep pulling the trigger, alright. This rare finger for people like them. Oh no. But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky. Oh, it's the way you make me feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good. Oh. But I'm pretending it's not my fault. No. The way you make it glitter, you drink me like liquor, keep painting the picture, alright. No, I don't care much for people like them. Oh no. But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky. Oh, it's the way you make me feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good. Oh.
I had a low battery warning and I thought, drop it like a turd through the window. Will do the job. And it did the job. Yay! Yeah, man, that was fun. Flying within the car, it was fun. I had a very good reception. Only when I go backward, then I had some glitches, but overall I had a very good reception and very good control. This was awesome. Let's do it again. Alright, let's fly one more time, and this time I have 3S battery in this SPC Maker Mini Veil HD, and I'm in my car, in my driving seat. Let's do it, man. I should actually
I feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good. Oh. Around me like a borderline, our fortress in the jungle, baby, we're alright. We don't care much for people like them. We don't care much for people like them.
let's do it again sometimes. Now that you have enjoyed the video, well, let's talk about my feeling for SPC Maker Mini Whale HD FPV Whoop. Well, to be honest, I actually like this quadcopter. Why? Because it's small. I can fly it from within my car while sitting inside my car in my driver's seat. I don't have to go out. And while I am sitting inside the car, the video transmission range was still very, very good. Of course, there were glitches when I went far or I went behind the car, but still, I did not lose video completely. I had live video alive all the time, and it was flying very well. I didn't lose the control signal. It was flying very well, and I actually had fun. So to say, I really like the SPC Maker Mini Whale HD. It flies very well. It has plenty of power. I have flown it on 3S battery. It gives much more power and performance on 3S battery, though the motors really heat up on 3S battery, but the performance and the flight time was still very, very good on Mini Whale HD. The jello in SPC Maker Mini Whale HD compared to other quadcopters is really minimal. I did not notice much jello, though there's slight jello still in the video, but most of the time you will feel the videos are really nice, sharp, crystal clear video from the SPC Maker Mini Whale HD. And that is why this is my personal favorite so far, and of course, a 2 thumbs up product. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button. Right there.